everyone, my name is Dinda Mariani with student identification number D2220203156. Here, I will tell you about my vacation experience in Yogyakarta. My first time in Yogyakarta. My cousin and I went to Yogyakarta last year. It was my first trip to this city. We went there because we didn't go to school in the morning. My mother called. Our school was closed due to a disaster that occurred in Jambi. At the time, our parents were in Yogyakarta while my cousin and I were in Jambi. My cousin and I arrived in Yogyakarta at night. Me, my cousin, and our parents stayed at the same hotel. We spent 2 days enjoying Yogyakarta. The first morning, we all headed for Malioboro Street. We saw a lot of trees with a variety of products that they recognize as traditional products from Yogyakarta. I bought some wooden statues and t-shirts with the words Yogyakarta on them, while my sister bought some leather bags. My mom and dad are busy selecting some merchandise to take home when we get home. Around the afternoon, we returned to the hotel where we were staying at the Salvatore Hotel to rest. I feel very comfortable staying in this hotel because the facilities are complete and satisfying. On the second day, we left for Prambanan Temple. When we got there, it wasn't too crowded because it's not a holiday. There I could see the beauty of Prambanan Temple and how big it is. There are many small temples around the site, and there are also several large temples in the area. There we also took a lot of photos to immortalize. One of them, I took a picture with a girl wearing Japanese male clothes. At Prambanan Temple, there are lots of traders who sell souvenirs or order souvenirs. One of them, I bought a knitting bag. After that, we continued our journey to Trenggalek, and the next day we went straight to our hometown Jambi. That's all from me. I'm sorry if there are any words that are wrong from me. Thank you for watching. See you later.